Hello, friends. All right, here we go. Time for trade of the week. Yeah, my sunglasses are a little dark still. I was outside thinking I got to do the trade of the week video. So here we go. Perfect time to introduce the new feature. I'm going to go up here and create a new docked window, docked channel bar, excuse me. Docked channel bar gives me a new container window, and it allows me to click into our new subscription add-on feature licensed with Brian Shannon directly from his book. Let's click on it and see what's going on. So we've got 4 charts that load automatically. If you don't have a subscription to Trade Ideas, you'd need one. You'd also need a add-on here, and you can click right into that. But we have 4 charts, 15, 30, daily, and the weekly. I'm going to go ahead and click into what we use is the AVWAP directly out of Brian's book, the pinch play where you draw 2 AVWAP lines, one from a low, one from a high. They squeeze together, breakout, that considers to be a long. So biggest question when Brian released his book is, well, where do I draw the lines? Well, we'll do that for you. And 2, what stocks do I look at to find these setups? We'll do that for you. So here we go, AVWAP pinch. If we scroll down directly to, obviously there's a lot of names in here, but the one, AKAM. Click on Akamai, and there it is. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. Now you can see the purple lines down here. These are the anchored VWAP from the prior high and anchored VWAP from the low. You can see we had a tight band, a lot of pressure, a lot of resistance, but we broke through the resistance and now closed on highs. So the trade of the week will be above this Friday high of 78.40, I think it is. And the stop will be just a simple close back below that green candle, back below the anchored VWAP. We need to move higher out of this move. So that's your trade of the week. Good luck, manage risk as always, and take a look at that new product. Bye-bye.